Now you can't see anything yet, but Tom's shooting off his first firework tonight. He's quite excited. So, if you can see that little light, he's lighting the firework. Trying to. In a few minutes it'll go boom. And hopefully no Popo will come and we won't get in too much trouble. We'll find out. He can't seem to keep a match lit. You didn't need ignition fluid is what I was worried about. Ignition fluid. There's a car coming. We're gonna die. And probably get in trouble. See? Jesus. And this is Tom.